Hello, welcome to Noor Digital Classes. There is an important and easy speech on Republic Day. Respected principal sir, teachers, honorable guests, and dear friends, good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We are gathered here today to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our country. I feel grateful and honored to give a speech on this important occasion. And it's my immense pleasure that I got chance to speak on this important day. Dear friends, Republic Day is observed every year on 26th January with great joy, pride and happiness across the nation. We know that India gained independence on 15th August 1947 after a long struggle. But at that time, the country did not have its own constitution. After much discussion and careful planning, a committee led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar prepared a draft of the Indian Constitution. And this constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949 and came into force on 26th January 1950. That's why we all Indian celebrate 26th January as Republic Day. And dear friends, after independence, India became a secular, democratic, and republic country. India is a beautiful country with many cultures, traditions, and languages. And you know very well that according to the Indian constitution, every Indian has equal right and every Indian is equal before the law without any discrimination, without the discrimination of religion and caste and faith. We can live here freely and we can talk. We all have the freedom of express. We can put our opinion before someone and before public, and unity in diversity is our great strength. That's why allama iqbal, a great poet, said सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी. हैव अ नाइस डे. 26 जनवरी के मौके पे अगर आप अपने स्कूल में, कॉलेज में या यूनिवर्सिटी में या किसी भी इदारे में स्पीच इंग्लिश में देना चाहते हैं, अपने बच्चों से स्पीच दिलवाना चाहते हैं, तो ये स्पीच आपके लिए बहुत ही सही रहेगी. आप इस स्पीच को ख़ुद भी याद कर सकते हैं या फिर अपने बच्चे को भी याद करवा सकते हैं. आई होप दैट it will be helpful for you and you can deliver this speech on this special and important day, Republic Day, 26 January. Thank you.